Welcome to AutoWorld of Conway, where today I'll be previewing beautiful 1973 Triumph TR6. So we'll take a couple moments this afternoon in this cold weather and preview this iconic British sports car. This particular example finished in French blue over black. And you can see that she's restored to a very nice quality. You can jump in, drive, and enjoy immediately upon receiving this car. So Michelin X redline tires on 15-inch wheels. There's the TR6 stickers on the back. The bumpers, above average driver quality, not brand new, but they look good. The paint, I'd probably rate the paint a 9.5 out of 10. See the blacked out taillight panel here. Luggage rack. I don't know how much luggage you would actually carry, but this body is just absolutely beautiful. No signs of rust or rust repair. This does have the nice matching hardtop, painted to match. You can see there the soft top in black, folded behind. The white over red pinstripe on this French blue. Absolutely awesome. We've had quite a few of these over the years. Oh, this one is nice. Let's go and look at the interior. Black vinyl. The Comfort League, there's a VIN number. So obviously you can see this car has been restored, repainted. Inside is finished very well. You can see the courtesy lamps functioning as they should. See some evidence that this car may have been red in the past, but to me this blue much more appealing. Showing 99,122 on the odometer. The gauges function. We'll fire it up in just a minute, but did not want to compete with the exhaust note. AM radio, you got the choke there, it functions, as does the heater blower. Horn. Let's do this, refine the hood release. Four-speed manual. Engine bay finished rather well. All the right paint finishes. You see power disc brakes in 73. Side draft carburetors. Some heater valve there. Again, the heat does function. Very well sorted car, I must say. So it is currently up to temperature. What I'm going to do, I'll fire it up and get a listen at the engine. vehicle on the highway outside. You have an extra wheel. No charge for the car cover. Headliner on the back of this hardtop, you can see, is kind of a little worse for wear. Okay, there you have it. That'll be off. If it were mine, it would never be on anyway. Dual sport mirrors. There you have it, 1973 Triumph TR6 here at AutoWorld of Conway. We always have good cars, so good people. Hopefully, you can imagine this lovely lady in your garage.